Welcome back to the ReplyRush tutorial series. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful features for building your email list, the email collector. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar where you'll find the features section. Here, you'll see the email collector option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a toggle switch at the top of the page. Turn this switch on to activate the email collector feature. Now you'll see the main configuration page with two important toggle options. If you want this feature to automatically work on all your future posts, turn on the automatically enable on new post switch. For posts you've already connected to ReplyRush, activate the enable for already linked post switch. In the title section, write a compelling headline that clearly explains what users will receive. This should grab attention and motivate people to share their email. Below that, in the description section, add a detailed message explaining the value they'll get in exchange for their email address. Be specific about what content, updates, or benefits they can expect. Scroll down to find the wrong attempt message field. This is crucial. Write a friendly but clear message that will be sent when someone enters an invalid email address or skips the email entirely. Click the Save button to activate your settings. Here's the magic in action. When a viewer comments on your posts, instead of immediately receiving a DM response, they'll first be prompted to enter their email address. If they provide an incorrect email or skip this step, they'll receive your wrong attempt message. Only after entering a valid email address will they receive the actual DM response they were expecting. Here's a pro tip. Below the Save button in your email collector settings, you'll find a download option. This allows you to export all collected emails as a CSV file. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more ReplyRush tutorials. Until next time, keep growing your audience with ReplyRush.